Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study with flashcards. First, focus on creating high-quality cards. Each card should present a single question or concept on one side, with the answer or definition on the other. This clarity helps your brain isolate and remember specific pieces of information more effectively. Keep your answers brief and to the point, avoiding lengthy explanations that can overwhelm your recall process. When crafting your flashcards, aim for clarity and conciseness. On one side, pose a clear question or prompt, and on the reverse, provide the direct answer. Incorporating visuals like simple diagrams or memorable images can significantly enhance recall for many learners. Remember, the goal is to create a quick, effective memory trigger, so avoid overly complex or wordy responses. The power of flashcards lies in active recall and spaced repetition. Instead of passively reading, actively try to answer each card before flipping it. Sort your cards into piles, those you knew easily and those you struggled with. Review the difficult cards more often. Gradually increase the time between reviewing cards you consistently get right, optimizing your long-term memory. To truly maximize your learning, integrate flashcards into short, consistent study sessions. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes at a time to maintain focus. Try mixing different subjects to keep your brain engaged and prevent burnout. Consider using a digital flashcard app, which often includes built-in spaced repetition algorithms. Finally, try explaining the answers aloud to solidify your understanding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.